Alright, so I was just shopping for skirts when I found this. Like, look at this. And then, seriously, just check this out. It's funny. Okay, so there's the longer skirt, and then there's the, look, there's the floofy mess. I want this in my life, so I'm gonna buy it. I don't know why, I just want it. Because, you know, floofy mess. Okay. So, let me just buy it. I don't know why I'm wasting 10,000. I just want it in my life. I just do. Right? Let's wear this thing. Okay. Let's see. This is the blue. Then the longer skirt. Then the floofy mess, yes. This is my new outfit. Guys, look at it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I don't know why. I just do. Enjoy my floofy mess.